Hello, friends. Welcome to Leadership and Entrepreneurship Insights. Every night we will come live to solve your questions, solve your doubt. No gyan, only solutions. And we have got a lot of support, a lot of love. Every single day, our live videos are seen by 300 to 500 people in a 24-hour cycle. And then this video is shared on other social media platforms. So thank you so much. Today we have a very, very special guest joining us who's a dear friend. But guys, I would like to, he's in, so I just pull him in right now. Krunal Veera, I welcome you to this show. So we are waiting for Krunal to come, guys. And Krunal Veera is a very, very special mentee, a very special friend, and I think he's joined us. Hi, welcome Krunal.
Hi, Bashish bhai. Thank you for having me.
Oh,
Can you hear me?
yes, it's an absolute pleasure. Can I give you one tip? Can you switch off some lights? There's too much glare. If Jill can do
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, Krunal has joined us today specially to give insights about his journey as a gamer and from gaming to skill development, and he's also a CA. So Krunal, I'll ask you a lot of questions. Take your time to set up,
Sure.
and we'll keep all answers very, very brief. We have a lot of love. I absolutely love you. I would like to tell the audience that Krunal is a very special mentee. I'm lucky to be an investor in his company, to guide his company, and he is the next unicorn. So Krunal, your introduction. How did you start the board games company? Your life journey.
Yes. Thank you, Bashish bhai, for these lovely words. My name is Kunal Veera, and I'm the co-founder of the board game company. By qualification, I'm a chartered accountant, done my MBA, worked as an investment banker for a couple of years,
Okay.
and coming from a Kutchi family, Gujarati family, my mom always told me that Kunal, at one point of time, you need to start your own business. And after working for a couple of years, thank you. After working for a couple of years, I thought, why not take the next step forward and start my own business. So I got married, and I had a couple of ideas, and then that's where I met you, and then we spoke about what my passion was, and that's when I and my wife together explored my passion of modern board games. We realized that there's a lot of value in these games, and unfortunately the Indian audience is not exposed. So we thought of there's a good gap, and my passion aligns to it. That's how the board game company started. And we started off by building our corporate vertical, where through modern board games we do employee engagement and experiential learning programs for corporates. Then we thought, if adults can learn so much, why not the kids? That's where we
So hold
began
on,
our
Kunal.
kids learning program.
I told you there. We will explore more about the board games company, but it is an extremely interesting point to know that you are a CA, but you are one of the lucky guys that was able to have his passion, which is gaming, into an entrepreneurship where you have a lot of skills, passion. The world definitely needs it. You have found your ikigai. You are doing a great job. So, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. Krunal and I will be happy to solve. Krunal, now let's say when you started board games, okay, you have one corporate vertical. Just can you take us through where I know you have worked for BCCI, you have done a lot of engagement for Mahindra. So can you first talk about your corporate verticals and then we'll go to the other verticals.
Yes. Okay. So initially, what we started building is we started building a lot of employee engagement programs where we use
Okay.
modern board game as a tool for employees to get them away from their digital screens and get them to connect and bond with each other. That's where we help corporates, get their departments together and get them synced to that one vision. Later on, we started building concepts around building life skills like decision making, negotiation, problem solving, etc. Where again, we focus on a PPT less experiential learning program where you play a game
Nice.
and then discuss and learn those learnings through pure discussions and experiences. And our currently what we've started been doing is we've also now started creating a lot of custom board games for corporates around their values, mission, vision, and brand marketing. So in the
Super.
past 2.5 years, worked with clients like Flipkart, Bajaj Allianz, Kotak, BCCI, Mahindra and Mahindra, so on and so forth.
Absolutely makes a lot of sense. So Kunal, I request you, if you can calibrate your Wi-Fi or or your internet if possible, because I think there are some lags. But otherwise, the journey from a CA to a gamer, and can you imagine, someone who looks young, who is young, but has so much talent. They are doing orientation programs, employee engagement programs for Mahindra, for Flipkarts, for a lot of SMEs also, but majorly big corporates, big companies. I think that is such an amazing journey. And one thing that I know about Kunal is, he's extremely disciplined, he's extremely focused. So, guys, if you have any questions that you would like to ask Kunal Vira, the board game co, please feel free to ask us. And Kunal is back with us. So, Kunal, after doing the corporate vertical, you had an idea that, why don't we use this as a learning, training, and development tool for other people? So how did that idea click, and what was the other vertical all about? So till Kunal is joining in, I'll give you some insights that when you learn, and when you learn through games, when you learn through fun, that learning always sticks with you because it is experiential learning. So yes, Kunal is with us. That's okay. It
Yes.
happens. No worries, it happens. And Kunal, the question that I asked is from corporate. How did you shift to another vertical? What was the thought process?
Yes. After working for 1.5 years with the corporates, I realized that if I can help the adults build on these life skills, why not help these kids build? And currently in our Indian education system, unfortunately, uh, it's more focused more on academics. And
Yes,
what I strongly believe is things are very different from what they were probably 10 years down the line. Before
absolutely.
like around 10 years back, probably after you complete your CA engineering, you're kind of sorted. But in this scenario, academics is no longer the only important factor, because every year lakhs of engineers, CAs, MBAs graduate, and no longer it is a ticket to your success. So I started looking around and I realized that what is that one common factor amongst everyone who is successful right now. And what I realized is it's not talent, not hard work, but their ability to solve problems, make good
Wow.
decisions, think critically. And these life skills is what really defines them. And that's where I realized that, schools are not teaching this. So why not help kids build these skills?
Hmm. Absolutely interesting. And can you take us more to the journey that, did the kids just focus only on the games, or was there any improvement in their, of course, they had a lot of time, they had a lot of fun, but was there any improvement in their skills, their cognitive abilities? Can you walk us through the process? And also, can you share about the technical team that you have, about the psychologists and learning scientists? So can you tell us about that, please?
Sure. So we started our program called Emerge. The focus of Emerge is to build these life skills amongst kids. Now, these life
Okay.
skills unfortunately can't be taught through textbooks or through blackboard. All of us as adults have learned pure through experiences. And so what we started doing this is took modern board games as a tool to develop these life skills. So group of game experts, psychologists came together and we started building a curriculum to develop these life skills in an extremely fun and engaging environment.
Nice.
So currently it's a 3 level program, and the methodology is pretty simple. Every level has certain objectives to be met, and how do we meet this objective is we make kids play a game, then we have a discussion among the kids, what went right, what went wrong. We give them some of our learnings and ask them apply these learnings on the game again and see. So when they see that their applied learnings, because of this, the result is better, that learning sticks on to them much better. So even if you play a board game 10 times, probably you might not learn, much from it. What really is important is for parents who might play a lot of board games with kids is after every board game, the kind of discussions that you have, talk about strategies, talk about why you did something and why he or she did not do something.
Makes
Once
sense.
you start doing that, that is where you start developing your thought process. And in our program, that is what we really focus on, is discussions and learning through board games.
Superb. And it always makes sense that you learn while doing, you learn with others of your age, and you learn and you have fun. I think that is the best form of, learning. A lot of people are giving wonderful comments. So Kunal, can you also talk about your team, and also how have you expanded? So I'm very, very happy and proud to let all our viewers and fans know that the Board Game Co. is an international global company already. So Kunal, please walk us through your team and your international achievements, please.
Yes, thank you. So currently we aren't a very big team, but what I can really strongly talk about is I have a team which has lawyers, engineers, MBA guys, designers who have left their traditional jobs and currently following the passion that I have that we have. And our corporate vertical is, we've done sessions all over India. We've done sessions in Dubai, Shanghai, and our Emerge program, we've developed a franchise model around it. So we've got various franchise in Bombay, in cities like Chennai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Pune, even in Dubai, and in fact in smaller towns like Guwahati and Jabalpur. So, it's a great model that we have really developed, and it's doing really well for us. And during in our Emerge program, as facilitators, we have a panel of psychologists who help kids train them and also help us build our curriculum.
That's so awesome. And can you also talk about the role of your wife? She's also a co-founder. She's extremely involved, and Jill is a very, very dear friend. She's like my sister. So can you talk about her role and contribution, please?
Yes, honestly, the board game company would have not been what it is if it was not for her. In fact, the idea of using modern board games into a business model was Jill's, and I'm extremely fortunate enough that she shares my passion, and both of us have different strength points, and I really, rely on her support to, build the company, and she's probably the marketing head and our brand head, and what board game looks is all because of her.
That's so amazing, Krunal. And I'm sure you're doing this out of love and respect and not out of fear, because in lockdown you've got to stay with her. So jokes apart, how do you select your board games? Is it the normal Monopoly, or how are your board games curated, designed? Because I have played them, we'll love it. But can you tell about how your board games are?
Yes, of course. We do not get any of the Indian games that are currently available. So no games like Snakes and Ladder, Jenga, Taboo, Monopoly, etc.
Yes.
We used to get games a lot from all over the world, and currently we've started developing our own modern board games for our Emerge program and also for a corporate session. So based on a corporate's objective or our learning program's objective, we, as a team of game experts and psychologists, build together these games that we use during our programs.
That's so amazing. So all our viewers, if you want to learn more about the board games, more about skill development, or also more for social and fun, please follow the Board Game Co. and Krunal Vira on Instagram. And for leadership and entrepreneurship insights, follow 39 Solutions and Basesh Gala. There was one question which I would like to answer on your behalf. They have very, very, smartly segmented their audiences. One audience is a corporate audience where they do a lot of orientation, employee engagements. One audience is a social. It's a very, very small segment, but this can also be used as a good social icebreaker. And then one separate segment is for kids and skill development, which they have been successfully able to give franchises across India and also internationally. Is that correct, Krunal?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. So Krunal, what made you think that now you can grow? You already have people investing in you. You have some tech ideas. I and one of our groups are one of the people who are invested in you. So why did you need this investment? And the world is wide. What's your vision? Can you share your vision, please?
Yes. So we have couple of verticals that we are strongly working on.
Sure.
When it comes to my kids learning program, we've developed a franchisee model around it, where now we want to focus on creating a lot of franchisees all over India and probably spread, across different countries. So we have our training module set up, the games are set up, etc. And it's pretty quick and fast for any franchise partner to really, pick this franchise, and it's pretty capital light and extremely profitable. Also, we started developing our online vertical. Probably, unfortunately or fortunately, thanks to this lockdown, we've already developed two games which now we are currently running. Thank you.
So
We are
awesome.
currently running for corporates and social groups, and probably soon in the near future, we will start developing our online platform for the kids learning program as well. So in the past 2 weeks, we built two concepts, and proud to say that we have already got clients like Sony, Procter and Gamble, Flipkart, who are actually conducting our online games. So that's really good for us.
That's so awesome. So if you stay positive and productive, and if you hustle, if you hard work, and if you work smartly, you can still get a lot of connections and business during the lockdown. Krunal is a prime example of that. Krunal, now there are a lot of questions from parents saying that, we are a little frustrated. Our kids are bored. So any tips that you can give them? How do they engage their kids for fun and skill development simultaneously?
Yes, if they have modern board games, uh, perfect way to really engage, and don't just play but have discussions, because that makes these games so wonderfully interesting. If you do not have these games, search online. I'm sure you'll get a lot of games that probably you can make at home and play. In fact, we also have done a couple of videos, which probably I would share later on your page, where parents can really watch these videos and create games on their own. And these games are fun, but they're intellectually stimulating also. So it's a great way for parents as well as the kids to enjoy this, time.
Nice. So we'll take any questions that the audience have. Audience, feel free to ask any questions. Couple of last questions from my side is, any tips to the youth or an aspiring entrepreneur? What would your advice or tips be for them?
Uh, First and most important thing is be disciplined in life. Use this time to not just pass away, but probably build your strengths, explore different opportunities. How we have done, and honestly, we kept ourselves extremely busy during this time. And secondly, have a goal in mind and have a plan. Having a goal is extremely important. Without a goal, probably you will not lead your company where it should really be. So have a goal in mind and use this time well enough.
Oh, that's so awesome. And guys, last question is, what would be, the board games company in the next 3 years? What is your goal or vision, if you would want to share it with all of us?
Yes, I want to be present in all the 26 or 27 states of India. I want to be present in 5 countries for our kids learning program. Also, I want to build an application that will help kids not only engage them online but also help them deliver our skill sets. So if a child cannot come to emerge, probably I want to go there and help him develop these skill sets through a mobile phone or a desktop. So that's my vision.
So that's an amazing vision with very, very smart goals. I'm extremely proud to have met you, Krunal. You have achieved a lot of success in 2 or 3 years of an entrepreneurial journey, and I'm sure there are lots of more success. Thank you so much for coming to Leadership and Entrepreneurship Insights. Guys, for skill development, for board games, please follow Krunal Jill Vira, and the Board Game Co. And for Leadership and Entrepreneurship Insights, follow the Vasesh Gala. So with this, any last words, Krunal, before we wrap up?
A big thank you to Bashish Bhai, not only for today, but you have played an extremely important role in throughout our journey, from helping us decide to follow our passion to helping us, mentoring us throughout. And the scale that we've reached is thankfully for from your guidance. And because we're part of Rise, we've really scaled much faster had we been the otherwise. So thank you, Bashish Bhai, for always being there and supporting us.
It's my duty, and trust me, if I get mentees like you, clients like you, it's an absolute pleasure. It's a blessing. So I'm lucky to have met you, and hopefully we can continue learning and growing together. So with this, bye guys, I end today's show. Please stay safe, stay kind. Jai Hind. Bye bye. Bye, Krunal.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.